you're doing? Give me the plan.
Here you go.
Whoa, wait a second. This is wrong.
What?
These are wrong.
What do you mean?
These are wrong plans.
Wait.
I had to change this.
No
We have to
right
change-
angles. This thing's round as a donut.
What are you, a fucking art critic?
No.
They got the money, want to live in a donut? Let them live inside a donut.
So as we get into the mapping editing function of the software, you can see that it's failing to pick up the inner walls of the first floor. And since the house is kind of like a square donut, that's a huge problem because all the other rooms are not getting picked up. If we get into the function, we can create a room and split that one into two, but then it stops there because it will not allow you to cross a threshold and create a room from that. And that became a problem that I solved by blocking off rooms in the house with furniture, cardboard boxes, or something like that, and then have it run its mapping. It won't be able to get those areas that one time, and that's fine, but if you have it run, it will slowly pick up those areas later, and then you'll get stuck with the map of your home that you really want, which was my square donut house.
And I think you should give your boys a big round of applause because you have done a good job. Because other than the house being square, it's beautiful. You've done a good job for yourself. But go home now and relax for the rest of the week. I'll straighten this whole thing out. It's Miller time.